Welcome! This is the Motion Presets Pack, a powerful tool to turbocharge your workflow. With over 4,500 presets and the support of the Atomx extension, everything becomes significantly simpler. Choose a layer, then apply the preset you prefer. You can easily remove the applied preset in the Customizer section and apply another preset that is more suitable. Adjust the parameters and marker timing to create the motion exactly as you desire. Afterward, choose a suitable out preset and apply it. Furthermore, Atomx offers powerful tools to facilitate fast and efficient batch editing. You can utilize the tool to alter the anchor point and apply a preset, resulting in a beautiful motion. Alternatively, you can directly apply a preset that has modified the anchor point, affecting only the anchor point during the preset's duration. Use the Shift and Point Forward tool to arrange the starting points of the selected layers. Adjust the frames for a sensible appearance time. Similarly, use the Shift Out Point Forward tool to arrange the ending points for the selected layers. With the preset effects, all you need to do is select the layer and apply them. Afterwards, add a mid marker using the Add Mid Marker tool. Don't forget to adjust the parameters to achieve the desired motion. You can combine as many presets as you like, as long as you find it visually appealing. In this example, I'm using the Bounce preset. Next, I apply the Motion Basic preset. Make adjustments to the easing, and voila! I have a bouncing motion. Using complex motion presets is also very straightforward, with the only difference being the customization options. However, it remains a simple process. With the Elastic preset, start by creating a shape layer, then apply the preset to the shape, selecting the layer in the effect. Next, choose the layer and apply the preset to the object. Why wait any longer? Discover it today to experience its true power.